Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have HONOR Choice Watch 2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to add the workouts to the workout menu and how to remove them from the workout menu. Basically how to customize your workout menu on this watch. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is to open the workout menu, and you can do it by pressing the Chrome button, then press it again to open the menu, and then you can tap on the workout icon. And here we have a list of workouts we can use. And there's like a predefined list basically, and we can customize it. To do it, scroll down and tap on Customize. And now we can add, remove, and reorder the list. To remove the workout, you tap on the minus icon next to it, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the workout will be removed. To add the workout, tap on Add, scroll through the list of categories, open the category, and then find the workout you would like to use and tap on it to select it. And once you select the workout you like, tap on Got it, and the workout will be added to the list. And where's this keying? Oh, it's at the top. Okay. And to reorder the list, you go to Customize menu, and to move the workout, you simply tap on the arrow next to it to move it up, and you can move them. You can move them down. You can just move them up. So if you want something to go lower, you just tap on the one below it to go higher, and this one will move below it. Basically, that's how you reorder it. And of course, once you're done, you can scroll down. Oh no, you just swipe right on the screen to go back. My bad. Okay, and that's how you add and remove the workouts from the workout menu. So if you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.